I came here, and the way you handle it, so gentle, your aura is just so calming, so I'm feeling very happy right now.
You have such a beautiful smile. You get complimented all the time for your smile. So what is the secret of your beautiful smile? How do you आप अपनी smile का care कैसे करते हो?
यहाँ पे आके literally. One more question.
Yeah, please ask.
So I want to know, what is your definition of beauty?
So for me, beauty is not the exteriors only. Obviously that plays a major part, but for me beauty is of the heart. I say to people that how much you're handsome depends on how much hand you give to someone.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah. Namaste dosto, my name is Dr. Khushal Gangwani. I'm your dentist, maxillofacial surgeon and cosmetologist from Juhu, and welcome to our podcast, which we can title as Beauty, Smile and Heart. And today we have a very special, super talented guest who is a perfect blend of all of these three things: beauty, smile and a beautiful heart. She is none other than Pooja Chopra, who's been a former Miss India. And Pooja, welcome to our podcast. How do you feel today?
Thank you. With that very warm, flattering introduction, I feel very, very happy. And in your calming presence, I feel calm and stable. So thank you for having me. Actually, it's your vibe. I still remember the first time I entered this place. There were mantras, unko usko kya bolte hain? Kirtan. And then I got prasad the first time that I came here. And the way you handle it, so gentle. Your aura is just so calming. So I'm feeling very happy right now.
Thank you so much. And you are actually I call Pooja the brand ambassador of Oramax. So her smile, her beauty is just so radiant. And Pooja, I'll just start off with this question. Yesterday itself, I was watching your YouTube video, your TEDx talk on YouTube, and I loved the entire talk. I heard about your journey. So could you please summarize and concise how is your journey so far been in this industry?
In the industry, it's been magnificent actually. I could not have asked for more, because this journey itself was never planned. Okay. I never expected to be in films. I never expected to be an actor. Mm-hmm. All I wanted to be was a Miss India.
Wow.
So all of this that is happening right now, the movies that I'm doing, the events, appearances, brand ambassadorship, everything's a bonus.
Wow.
But the TED Talk, of course, is much more than just career. It's about life. And the caption, like it rightly said, was rewrite your destiny. And I think the TED Talk platform gave it that caption because maybe because of how different and unique and unconventional my journey has been.
True.
If I have to literally summarize it and say it is in one sentence, it will be: once an abandoned child, now sitting here in front of you.
Wow,
who's
that's amazing.
Probably been able to make something of her life.
Absolutely, that's so awe-inspiring and such an inspiring story. Like, I still remember that Pooja used to say that her father abandoned her mother, and he gave an option: either you choose the girl or you choose me, the mother. Pooja was just 1 month old at time.
No, 20 days, not even a month, 20 days old.
Yeah, and her mother left with her and her elder sister, and that's really heartwarming to see that. Yeah, I can actually see the weight of that experience you felt. And if I want to ask you that, what is that one take, or what did you carry with you, what experience did you carry with you which stays there for the rest of your life after that incident?
Khushal, if I'm being very honest, I think the one thing that I keep reminding myself, telling myself, and in fact a lot of my friends or people who come to me for advice is, हीरा ना diamond, जब तक pressure नहीं होता है तब तक वो diamond नहीं बनता, चमकता नहीं, doesn't get become diamond. Even stones, pebbles, what sets a murti, a bhagwan ka shivling ya murti apart is the grinding that it goes through.
Correct.
So the adversities that you're facing today, or everything difficult obstacles that you faced in your life, it is actually making you a better person. You're actually progressing, you're actually growing. So if you see, had I not had the pressure or the motivation or the drive to prove something, to make my mother proud, I don't think I would be sitting here today. So hindsight, yes, it was very difficult for us growing up. Yes, it was a challenge for my mother, but that's why I'm here today.
Absolutely.
So all the obstacles that we're facing, this is one thing I've learned, ki whatever difficulties that you face today, you have to tell yourself, this is for my greater good.
Correct.
I'm getting sharpened, I'm getting pressured so that I come out of this becoming a diamond.
Absolutely.
So this is my takeaway.
So well said, so well said. So Your mother is my client, and she keeps praising you all the time. I'm sure she is a super proud mother.
She praises me.
Yeah.
घर पे तो चित्तर मारती रहती है मेरे को. She praises me.
Yeah, she's so proud of you. Pooja is doing this, Pooja is doing this film, and she's so excited about whatever you do. And on social media, it's also your mother is all over.
Yeah, mom is more social media savvy than I am.
Absolutely.
She will go through the comments, she will like the comments. She's like cute like that. But thank you for telling me that she praises me. नहीं तो मुझे तो लगता है मुझे गालियाँ ही घर पे तो मुझे गालियाँ ही पड़ती है.
So Pooja, as an actor and as a model, looks and beauty is very important. And you know that a smile is something which is very crucial. It plays a pivotal role in that aspect. And you have such a beautiful smile. You get complimented all the time for your smile. So what is the secret of your beautiful smile? How do you आप आपकी smile का care कैसे करते हो?
यहाँ पे आके. Literally. You know it. I mean, I've been coming here for what, 3, 4, 5 years now.
Correct.
I don't even remember. It's been that long. For everything, I think my mom comes here, I come here. Any queries, any difficulty, anything will be like, "Hello, Khushal, I'm coming."
Yeah.
So that's how I take care of my smile, my
Absolutely. And you know, the smile is a best accessory which you can wear.
Yeah. That's true.
It adds value to your face. Actually.
Completely. I think it gives you so much confidence. If you don't know someone and you just smile, you make their day so much nicer.
Absolutely.
And they smile back, you feel nicer about yourself and the day.
So I just feel so proud of myself that being a dentist, we have the superpower. We wear those capes of
like
creating
heroes.
Smiles.
Yeah, like heroes.
We are the smile guardians, you can call us.
Yeah, smile guardians.
So speaking of smile, Pooja, we just did a dental spa for you. Dental spa is basically, we all do spas for our body, for our massages, for our hair and skin. Dental spa is the most neglected spa. Many people don't do it to a dentist, but you are very conscious. You regularly come to me for your dental spas. So we did a cleanup, polishing and a whitening for you. So what do you think? How are the results of whitening? Is it very painful? Are you happy with the results?
I am ecstatic with the results, and that's why I keep coming back. I take a year and a half of gap because that's how long it stays for.
Correct.
And it wasn't painful, no. There was slight sensitivity.
Correct.
And I know it will stay for a day.
Yes.
But then you've given me this toothpaste. Even last time you had given me this, and I think in about a day or by evening it just kind of disappears.
True.
So it's not there. But then the ting smile.
I like that ting.
Yeah, the ting. It gives you that extra edge. It's always that extra. You have a nice smile, you have a nice set of teeth, you have nice lips, so the smile will look nice. But that little extra shine, that just ting it adds. So yeah,
absolutely.
it's worth it.
Center Fresh ki ad aata na ting.
It's worth it. The
It's
sensitivity is totally worth it.
Absolutely. And we just added a little sparkle to your already beautiful smile.
Big one.
So Pooja, coming to beauty. One of our vertical in my brand is called MK Aesthetics in Juhu, where we have a cosmetic clinic and a dental clinic under one roof, right? So we do holistic approach of treating your smile, treating your face as a whole. So I wanted to ask you, you're being a former Miss India, so for you looks are very important. Do you do any cosmetic procedures? Nowadays celebrities are very open about it. Do you do any of these aesthetic procedures, or you are an advocate of minimalist beauty?
I wish I could do all of these fancy procedures, literally from vampire facials and all of this. I really wish I could, because I know a lot of people it works for and they endorse it. But unfortunately, honestly, Khushal, my skin is so sensitive. It's so sensitive. So I just can't do anything.
Correct.
It amazes people that I do not even use a sunscreen.
Wow.
I don't even use a moisturizer, can you believe? So in Bombay, fortunately, because there's so much humidity, I don't need to use a moisturizer. But when I go to drier climates, when I'm shooting or when I'm traveling, then my skin tends to get very dry. You won't believe what I do. I apply, once I wash my face, I apply moisturizer, literally wait for a minute or 2 minutes and wash it off.
Wow.
Because I know if I keep it for a long time, it'll either get inflamed, it'll get red, or I'll break out into a zit.
Wow.
And thank God, fortunately, I have good skin, so I don't even complain.
My next question was, what is the raz or secret behind your skin? If you're not doing anything to maintain it, how are you just blessed with good genetics?
Maybe, and see, care is my makeup. I've been using the same base. I know if I can use the name of the brand.
Yeah.
But so I've been using Chanel Vita Lumiere since forever.
Wow.
I have tried MAC. It doesn't suit me. It makes my complexion. So I've tried a few things, but they've not suited me. This is like my holy grail.
Wow.
So I just stick to what suits me. I don't take chances at all. It's a huge risk for me, and I think it is genetics also for sure. Mum has great skin.
Great skin, I've seen it.
She's like flushed
Yeah.
cheeks, clean
She's
flushed
glowing
cheeks all the time. My granny has great. She's from Kashmir,
Wow.
Kashmir, Pakistan. So fortunately, touch wood, yeah. So it saves me a lot of time, money, vanity. But having said that, I'm not saying that vanity is vain.
Yeah.
For people who believe that doing all of these things makes them feel good. Because at the end of the day, when you're standing in front of the mirror, you have to feel confident. Feel nice about yourself. So even if it is something big you want to go for or nothing it is you want to do, you have to feel nice. At the end of the day, it's that. So to each his own.
Yeah.
But agar mera bas chalta, to I would have definitely come to your aesthetic clinic also and done a bunch of things for sure.
Wonderful.
But no, now you asked me a lot of questions. I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
So related to teeth only, I remember you telling me once long ago, coffee, turmeric, red wine, these stain your teeth, right?
Correct.
But tell me some more tips or precautions or things that we should take care for maybe.
Absolutely. So thank you so much for asking me this wonderful, quite relevant question. So a lot of celebrities, models do come to me like you, and they tell me, doctor, give me some tips so that my smile stays good on the stage, my smile, it don't get stained. So first of all, I tell them you have to visit a dentist every 6 months, no matter what. You just have to come for a regular dental spa, which is basically cleaning and polishing, which we can't do it on our own. So how many people of us do flossing and water flossing and brushing twice a day and avoid drinking tea, coffee? These are something basic.
Yeah, I can't do without tea.
You can't function without tea, coffee. In parties mein red wine, sab kuch hota hai. So a dentist is what it does the cleaning work. It removes all those harsh stains which don't go away by brushing. So we do those ultrasonic scalings. And apart from that, teeth whitening also is a must. Once in a year you should get it done. Because see, Indian food has a lot of turmeric in it. Every sabji has a color. के लिए turmeric डालते हैं. So turmeric actually stains your teeth, and you can't bypass your teeth by eating food, right?
Yeah,
whenever you drink coffee also, you can't drink with a straw. So you have to, teeth are getting contact. So we have to do something called as teeth whitening treatment every now and then. And it's absolutely safe. Some people believe that, okay, doctor, my teeth will become weak, very sensitive, it will fall off, the top layer will get eroded.
Yeah. I've heard whitening scrapes the enamel and makes. Is it myth?
No, it's not true. It's a myth actually. Whitening just makes your teeth whiten. It's basically bleaching. You know how we do bleaching of the face, many people do in the parlors.
Yeah.
So the same bleaching gel which you use hydrogen peroxide, but in a very diluted form on the teeth, which just makes them whiter. Okay, so it does not no harm to your teeth. And other thing which I recommend is regular floss, that is your TLC, and you need to maintain a very good and healthy mouth. It's not just smile, but we have to maintain healthy oral health by doing twice brushing, flossing daily, regular visit to the dentist, and basically eating good. So eating and habits and lifestyle plays a major role. What you eat is what you are, right?
Yeah.
So some people eat a lot of chocolate, a lot of sweets. I'm sure you don't eat sweets.
I eat but little bit. Right.
So sweets is something which causes a lot of problems. Even sodas, like you said, citric drinks, sodas, they have a lot of erosion effect on your teeth. Your teeth starts melting away, So all of these things you should avoid. And speaking about the beauty thing, since we are also cosmetologists, I recommend my viewers that you should visit a cosmetologist. All these treatments basically you just nourish and subtle effect they give your enhance your beauty. It's just that because as we age, our sun is a major contributor in aging faster. So we need to do something anti-aging treatments which boost our collagen. The entire skin industry is based on collagen. So collagen people are taking supplements.
What is it?
Niacinamide. Yeah. So all this niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, retinols, all of these are the big actives in the skin industry which gives the skin a blooming effect. And I feel many celebrities are doing it, but you are a natural beauty, so you don't need them. And I've been seeing you since so many years. You're still the same. So first thing which I noticed is, Pooja, you look the same.
Yeah, that's what you said.
So this is how we work, So it's just that certain tips, take home message from my side is, visit your dentist. I'm not saying come to me, visit your nearest dentist every 6 months for your dental spa. Visit your cosmetologist for your skin makeovers and your skin hydration. Basically, you can go to hydrofacial. Hydrofacial is the most popular facial nowadays. We just give your skin a nice hydration and rejuvenation. So this is how you maintain your skin. Everybody needs maintenance. Like you buy, a biosystem, simple mobile phone requires a maintenance.
Your car, everything.
Car requires a maintenance. So body also needs some maintenance, and doctors are the best people to take care of you.
One more question.
Yeah, please ask.
So I want to know, what is your definition of beauty and a perfect smile?
So for me, beauty is not the exteriors only. Obviously, that plays a major part. But for me, beauty is of the heart. I say to people that how much you're handsome depends on how much hand you give to some.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, so you're handsome is you're giving your hand to some makes you handsome.
Yeah.
So beauty is also like that. Beauty is, beauty lies in the eyes of beholder, they say.
Yeah.
But real beauty, I feel, is of the heart. When your heart is beautiful, when you're inside you're beautiful, it will reflect on your outside. So our heart is a mirror of what our actions or intentions or what we are, basically. So I feel you can become more beautiful by helping people around, by feeding the poor, by elevating others. So basically giving, our body. I'm a very spiritual person. So what I have learned in my scriptures from the Bhagavad Gita, from all the holy scriptures, they only speak of one thing, that just keep giving others, uplifting others, what we have received, the good fortune, just share it with others, and by sharing, bringing them closer to the God, and helping them uplift the some. You have heard of the story of the prodigal child. A person is begging on the street and then is asking, who is your father? He's like, I don't know who is my father. But some person will give him food, some person will give him clothing, some person will give him shelter. But are they permanent? No. So the boy, they ask you, how can we benefit you the utmost? He said, just take me to my father. He'll provide me everything. Forever. Yeah. So then one person connects him to his original father, and then he gets all of these things for unlimited time. So that's how it is. We are all actually the prodigal children of God, which we have come down, leaving that whole thing, and then when someone connects us back to God, that's where our roots are. When the water is poured on the root of the tree, everything is nourished. Yeah. Everything will grow. We don't have to plant or water the leaf, the flower separately. Sure. So it's like real beauty comes actually when the most merciful, the most beautiful is Lord. So when we serve Him, naturally we become beautiful.
In His light, and that light, you glow like you rightly
Absolutely.
said. You glow inside out. That's why you keep glowing. Look, without makeup, He's glowing so much.
Thank you so much, Pooja, for coming, and thank you for this amazing podcast. I think this has been such a natural, spontaneous podcast. Yeah. And with you, the energy levels are always high. You just bring so much of light and joy in the room.
And you bring so much of calm and stability. So we kind of perfectly balance it out.
Each other.
Thank you
so much for having us.
Thank you.